My name is Rock, and these are my groceries. All right, guys. This is my third week update this week. Things are going very, very good, as you'll see later in the footage. And so today will be a short update. I just wanted to. I have a lot of friends asking me what I eat in a day or what kind of groceries I make. So I decided to show everybody. I just came back from the grocery store and here it is. So I can talk about it a little bit. So here we go. So today I have parsley, mushrooms, I have corn wraps, I have my trusty broccoli. There we go. What else? I didn't have time to make myself some soup, so I bought some pre-made soup, but it seems like homemade, so probably a little less terrible than the canned stuff. And this is new for me. I never thought about this before. I saw it on well, it's not my friend, but on a channel that I like a lot, John's channel. It's called Obese to Beast. He talked about some meatless burgers, so I thought it was a pretty good idea to try it out. So I have those. I have this, what I'll show at the end. I bought some black peppercorns, and I bought this, which I forgot that I liked, the shrimp. Not a big seafood, but that's what I was looking for, seafood. So shrimp's fine, and some really light fish that I can eat, so which is too bad because I know it's a pretty good thing to eat. It's a pretty decent idea. Lemon, I'll show you why after. That's it for that. The other bag, my hamburger buns for the meatless burgers. Those are, I couldn't find less than 8, so they're gonna be frozen, and I'm probably not gonna eat more than 2 this week. My eggs for my breakfast. Turkey, it's the best choice I could find for cold cuts. It's like really low fat turkey, and yeah, so it's decent for lunches. Usually I like my steak, but the huge steaks are kind of, you can't eat those all at once, all that. So usually what I do is I buy. Recently I've been buying some. I think it's tenderloin in English. They're really expensive, but if you get what I can eat, the small ones, they're usually like $8. I couldn't find any this week, so I'm going with pork chops. So that's gonna be a few meals because that's a lot of calories. And finish it off, I have some baby spinach, which are my go-to stuff. And yeah, so in those, this I will use with the baby spinach, with the lemon, the parsley, and the shrimp. That's gonna be a meal. I saw something on YouTube, a really easy recipe. So that's gonna be one. The meatless burgers are gonna be one. Probably gonna eat 2 that time. The wraps and the turkey is for my dinners. I use for my lunches. Sorry, and I use a little bit of spinach in those with a little bit of low-fat mayonnaise. And the other meal is probably gonna be the pork chops with the mushrooms, and probably one with the broccoli or something like that. And yeah, and the soup as well is gonna be for the lunches. I eat 1 wrap, and it's 100 grams. I buy 400 grams of the turkey, and I eat 100 grams per burger sandwich, let's say, with a little bit of soup. That's going to be my lunches. The breakfast is, like I already said before, is 2 eggs with some frozen blueberries and with Greek yogurt. And what I also have in the fridge for some dinners, I have some leftover chicken breasts. So that's gonna go with probably with some broccoli or something. And what else? Oh yeah, for the snacks I eat as well. The some Greek yogurt with some cherries in it. And the only thing that I bought this week, that every week, that I consider like a little bit of not a cheat, but is I bought a small bottle of Diet Pepsi. So that's my one thing, that I know I shouldn't drink, and because I can indulge with the food, like I said before. Like on Fridays, I go to the restaurants with the people at work. Yeah, so I just eat something that's smarter. All right, let's see how we did this week. Drum roll, please. All right, here we go. Pretty nice. Yeah, so like you saw in my my little clip there, again this week I lost another 5 pounds about. So for the 3 weeks it's been around 15 pounds. So like I said at the beginning, it goes really faster than later on. And I'm wondering as well, because like I said before, I had already lost that weight and I was in pretty good shape. So I'm wondering if my body, sort of remembering where I was at, so it's catching up a little bit and burning a little bit more than it's supposed to. So yeah, I'm eating pretty decent. I'm never hungry. It's very good. It's going very good like that. I'm never hungry or not satisfied, not full when I eat. So I think it's going really great. So I'm pretty happy about it, and that will be that for this week. And I'll see you next week. See ya. Bye bye.